5. Biomass energy. Biomass energy is derived from organic materials such as wood, agricultural residues, and organic waste, which can be burned or converted into biogas, biofuels, or bioenergy through processes like fermentation and anaerobic digestion. Biomass energy is renewable and can serve as a low-carbon alternative to fossil fuels in transportation, heating, and electricity generation. However, sustainable biomass production and utilization practices are essential to mitigate environmental impacts such as deforestation, soil degradation, and air pollution.